Morning students, welcome to the digital learning class. In this video, we will read the exercise of 13th lesson Mineral Resources. First, we will read and write these words. First one mineral, second one metallic, third one utility, fourth one composed, fifth one durable, sixth one aluminium, seventh one gypsum, eighth one generate, ninth one flame, 10th one crude. Now comes fill in the blanks. First one, mica is a non-metallic mineral. Second one, most of the India's oil reserves are at Mumbai High. Third one, dash is used in the aeroplane building industry. Answer is aluminium. Fourth one, manganese is used in the manufacturing of steel. Fifth one, in India we have refineries at Kochi where crude oil is refined. Now comes tick the correct statement. First one, copper is a non-metallic mineral. Answer false. Second one, aluminium is extracted from bauxite. Answer is false. Mineral deposits in the earth are renewable sources. Answer is false. Fourth one, limestone is one of the non-metallic mineral. Answer true. Fifth one, coal is an important mineral and source of energy. Answer is true. Now comes question answers. First one, state one difference between mineral and ores. Answer, first mineral, the earth made up of rocks which are composed of different substances called mineral. Now comes ores. An ore is a mineral or rock containing a particular mineral in a reasonable large quantities. Second one, state any two major uses of iron. Answer, iron is used in the manufacture of industrial and agricultural machinery, tools, vehicles and their parts. It is also used in buildings, bridges, railways and huge buildings. Third one, name some byproducts of crude oil. Answer, cooking gas, kerosene, petrol, diesel and gasoline are some byproducts of crude oil. Fourth one, name some renewable resources of energy. Answer, sunlight, air, wind and water are some of the renewable resources of energy. Fifth one, why must we use our mineral resources wisely? Answer, mineral resources are non-renewable resources. They cannot be replaced easily, so we must use them wisely. Now comes sixth one, why is petroleum also called black gold? Answer, petroleum has a number of products like cooking gas, kerosene, petrol, diesel, gasoline, etc., which are very useful for lives. So it is called black gold. So students, here is finish our exercise. Thank you.